Hey, what is this scary thing?
It's my Tractoro Dinosauro.
Who let you have a dinosaur?
The tunnel that spawns the brainroots.
What if he eats you? I'm taking him with me to keep you safe.
Why did you take it?
To keep you safe.
But what about you?
Go away. It's dangerous here. Go.
No, it's my dinosaur.
Dinosaur is dangerous. I'm calling animal control.
Stop, I'm fine.
I'm just trying to save you. Scammer.
How am I a scammer?